Hi guys, today I am making brown rice vegetable sizzler, and with that I'll also make paneer tikka. Here is my paneer and all the vegetables: green, yellow, red bell peppers, carrots, beans, cauliflower, chopped onions, and finely chopped spring onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped beans, chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies. And these are the brown rice. I have soaked them like 2 hours before. And now I am going to marinate the paneer. I have taken paneer, capsicum, and onion. I am adding gram flour, besan, kasuri methi, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, curd, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, dhania, salt. According to your taste, you should add all the spices. I'll also add some tandoori masala. Now add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now add a pinch of turmeric as well. थोड़ा सा हल्दी भी add कर सकते हैं. Now mix it properly. Now you have to leave this for 20 to 25 minutes. First of all, I'll boil the brown rice because it will take time. So I'll add brown rice in the boiled water. Add a pinch of salt, few drops of lemon. And this is my sizzler plate. These are the cabbage leaves. I'll put all the cabbage leaves on that sizzler plate after greasing with butter. So now I'm going to put this sizzler plate on the gas. It will take almost half an hour. I have added some refined oil to fry my veggies. The oil is hot, so now I will add carrots because it will take time. The carrots, I'll also add these beans. I will add all the bell peppers. Need to saute all the vegetables. Now I will also add the cauliflower. Now I will cover it with the lid. Let's check that the brown rice are ready or not. No, it will take time. Now let's take a look at the vegetables. Now we'll add onions in this. Just mix them properly. Now we will cover it with the lid again. Meanwhile, we'll check our paneer, the marinade paneer. Now let's remove the lid and take a look at our veggies. Guys, this is one of the healthiest recipes. Why I'm using brown rice? Because these are much healthier. If you want to add white rice, you can also take white rice. Here I'm taking brown rice because this is something which people will take for weight loss. Now take a look. I'll check. Yeah, it is ready. It's not overcooked, still it's crispy. Now I'm going to put all these vegetables in that bowl again, and I'll make the sauce. Here are the vegetables. Now in the same pan, I will make the gravy. Now I've added some more refined oil. First of all, I'll add the chopped garlic. It will turn light golden. Now I will add the chopped spring onion. Now I will also add the chopped beans and this. Now add these ginger and some green chilies. Now we'll add tomatoes in this. And I think the brown rice are ready. Here are the brown rice. Now I will press all the tomatoes so that I can make a thick gravy. Then I'll add all the sauces. You can also use tomato puree. Now I have made a thick paste of all the sauces, and this is red chili, soya sauce, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, and vinegar. And here is the paste. Now I'm adding salt, some black pepper. I'm also adding some oregano. Now I will add this thick paste in the puree. You need to add all the sauces as per your taste. You can also check later. Now I'm going to add this thick paste in the puree. Just add some water and pour this into this gravy. Now mix it properly. Now I will add some more water and then I will cover this gravy with the lid again. And now I'll start cooking that paneer. Now I will heat this pan and I'll start making paneer tikka. I'll add some mustard oil in this. And I think it's almost ready. Now I'll add all the fried vegetables in the gravy. Now I'm gonna cover it with the lid for like 2-3 minutes on the sim. Only for like 2-3 minutes. And here is my pan which is ready, which is almost hot. I will cook that paneer tikka. Tikka is ready. It's paneer, capsicum and onion. The gravy is ready, guys. These are the brown rice. Let's check whether it's hot or not. Yeah, it's too hot. The paneer tikka is here. Now we will place all the things together. Now I need to put this iron plate on this wooden plate. Now I will put butter on this plate. My sizzler plate is ready. Now I'm gonna put brown rice, that paneer tikka and the gravy together. To finish it off, I will add some spring onion in this. Now it's ready.